Meaning of fuse.
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 Fuse. The term fuse can have multiple meanings, depending on the context. One of its primary definitions refers to a safety device that interrupts the flow of electrical current when it exceeds a safe level, preventing damage or a potential fire. In a more metaphorical sense, it can refer to the merging or blending of two or more things or concepts into a unified whole. Fusing elements together can create something new or more powerful than its individual parts. In summary, fuse can refer to a protective mechanism or a creative process of combination and transformation.